If you're trying to get an invitation code for MovieBox Pro so you can sign in and start using the platform, there are several reliable methods you can try, and none of them require anything complicated. Start by opening your browser and going to the official MovieBox Pro website. If you're using a Fire Stick, Android TV, or any other streaming device, you can also access the same page through the Downloader app, which works like a simple built-in browser. Once you reach the site, select the Sign In option. The platform will ask you to log in using your Gmail account first. After that, you'll see the part most people get stuck on, the invitation code field. Even though it seems like a barrier, getting a code is easier than it looks if you know where to check. One of the fastest ways is to get a code from someone who already has a MovieBox Pro account. Every active user can send out invitation codes directly from their account section, and they usually don't mind sharing as long as you ask politely. If you have friends or family using the service, this will often be the quickest method. If you don't know anyone with an account, your next option is to search for communities where users help each other. Reddit has multiple groups dedicated to MovieBox Pro where people frequently post codes or offer them through private messages. Just be sure to check that the code is still active since some expire after being used. In case you still can't find a working code, you can reach out to MovieBox Pro support. Go to their official website, locate their support or contact email, and send them a short message requesting an invitation code. Include the Gmail address you plan to use on your account so they can verify your request properly. Many users report that support eventually sends a code if you ask respectfully. Once you finally receive a working code, return to the MovieBox Pro login page, sign in with your Gmail, enter the invitation code in the required field, and complete the setup. After it verifies successfully, your account becomes active and you can start browsing, loading your library, and streaming directly through the website or compatible devices.